I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm coming on here to make crochet earrings. So this is the size that we're going to be doing. And I will post all the materials you'll need down below as well. So you're going to need a 2-inch plastic ring. You can go smaller if you want. The smaller you go, instead of doing what the numbers that I'm going to tell you how to do in this plastic circle, you'll just do less. So it's the same method, just fewer stitches around the plastic circle. You're also going to need a D crochet hook. You're going to need your finder. You're going to need a tapestry needle. I can't find my tapestry needle, but I normally use this as well to weave my ends. It's a little longer. I got this from Amazon. You'll need a piece to bend this little to open it up. And you're going to need scissors. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver in the color Perfect Pink. Let's get started. So let's do our slip knot. We're going to grab our plastic ring and we're going to hold our yarn like this, and we're going to go inside that plastic ring, grab our yarn from behind, pull up, and then wrap our yarn around and then go through. So that's our first single crochet. So we're going to do 36 more single crochet inside this plastic ring. Now that you completed 37 single crochets, we're going to join at the first single crochet stitch that we made. So right here we're going to join. We're going to chain 3. And that's going to count as your first and that's going to count as your double crochet. So we're going to do 1 double crochet all the way around. So now we're joining at the top of your first double crochet. So if you like the earring like this, you could just chain one and just fasten off. But we're just going to add one row of single crochets. So we're going to chain one, and you're going to do a single crochet in that same space. And you're going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way around. Now we completed 2 single crochets all the way around. We're going to join at that first single crochet. Chain 2. Cut. Draw up the loop. Tight. Turn the work around. We're going to cut this too. We're going to weave this all the way around. So we're going to weave this through. Doesn't matter which way you go. You're going to find that top piece right there. You don't have to do it as tight as me like I did. So form that loop right there. See? Right there. We want to take our pliers. Up. So now we're going to take our pliers and we're going to open it up. I can't find the regular pliers to open this up, so bear with me. So I'm going to open it up just a little bit. See? You want to take that. So this is the back, okay? And this is the front. I'm going to take it. See, the front, back. Yeah, now I get to close it. And there you have it. I made black ones, and I was like, well, let me do a tutorial real quick of what I did. So I'm glad I did. Peace, love, and happy crafting. God bless. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. God bless. Bye.